Naghahanap ka ba ng first property investment mo? Nasa prime location na, walking distance sa lahat, flexible terms, and sulit in the long run? Pinapakilala ko sa'yo si Uptown Modern, the newest and the last residential tower in Uptown BGC. This high-end condo ay merong 54 floor, lahat ng unit ay smart home equipped na. At ang mga unit natin ay fully fitted furnished na siya with partner ng mga top-of-the-line European brands. And get this, Uptown Modern is a perpetual ownership, pet-friendly, and offering hotel-like amenities. 30 minutes lang siya going na Iya Airport and walking distance upcoming Metro Manila Subway. Just this September, it's offering no down payment, 6 years to pay, at zero interest. Ano pa hinihintay mo? Mag-inquire na and have your first investment with us.